Living from paycheck to paycheck, spending more on weekends than we can afford, having anxiety of how you're going to pull here and there to pay next month's rent. How are you going to go on that vacation in 6 months to come back stress-free without worrying about paying your bills? Welcome to Just Press Play 2024 Challenge. Guarantee you stay here throughout the whole entire video. You're going to leave here inspired, motivated, with tips on how to better your life in 2024. Step 1, start acknowledging how much you're spending, how much we're spending on a weekly basis on things that are immediate gratifications: coffee, tea, pizza, breakfast, bagels, dinner. These things on a weekly basis, if you add it up and looked at the numbers, is scary, but we have to start paying attention because it would allow us to start thinking, what could we do a little bit differently throughout the week that might take a little bit more time on the weekend to set us up for success? Meal prep. Meal prepping is a good start. It's a good way to begin to start taking care of your health and your wealth. Do you know actually how much you would save with intention meal prepped for 1 month? I didn't, but I tried it, and I'm on week 4, and let me tell you, I see a big cha-ching, ching difference in my bank account. Even if it's in my mattress or my shoebox, I see a little bit more greens up in that piece. All right, a few things: olive oil, sea salt, butter, pepper, onions, and you're good to go. Water. Put some water to boil rice. Put some water to boil pasta. Put some water to boil sweet potatoes. Cook that up. Here you go with your proteins. You like some meat? Chicken cutlets, beef, chopped turkey meat. Do your thing. Make your proteins, fish. Cook that up. Veggies. You got asparagus. You got broccoli. You got onions. You got peppers. Saute that. Pack it up. Add some veggies or some salad and some tomatoes, and you're good to go. See how much it's going to save you time, anxiety, and add to your health and wealth. Meal prep. What a challenge, because I was like, what am I doing? I can't do this. I don't have the time. But I committed to it even when it was dreadful. It saved me 10 hours of stress throughout the week. As a single parent, I was able to take that extra hour and a half that I would have been cooking to go to the gym, to read a book, to take a walk. It gave me back some time. Try it out. I promise you, you will not lose. Challenge number 2, my peoples. Guess what? Not just are we meal prepping, but we're saving some money. Find yourself a book, find yourself a shoebox, find yourself an envelope, and every day for 31 days, the challenge from Just Press Play is to save $1 a day. If you save $1 a day and put 4 quarters, 10 dimes, it doesn't matter how many nickels, put it away for 1 day for 1 month. Add that up to the next month and the next month times 12. Guess what? We are winning, my peoples. Don't give up on small wins because those are the big wins. 31-day challenge with Just Press Play. Building healthy habits. That's the ultimate goal. It takes not just 31 days, not just 3 months, not just a year to build healthy habits. It takes a lifetime. So let's keep it real. Let's keep it authentic, and let's keep it 100%. Start small wins every day. Meal prepping, saving $1 a day for 31 days, and see where you go from there. We believe in you. Let's go.